Hey, good morning, everybody. Today is Monday, October 12th, 2015. My name is Cliff Backus, and this is your PushButtonStockTrading.com daily video market review. Stocks edged higher Friday on lighter trading volume. The Nasdaq tested and failed at its 50-day moving average, an important line of resistance that the S&P 500 easily captured last week. If the Nasdaq is going to fail, this area would be a good place to do it. That said, it was a very encouraging week for the bulls. The S&P 500 was up 5.1%, the Nasdaq 2.6%. The IBD 50 and the IBD 85 continue to lag, up only 2.3% and 1.7% respectively. The IBD indices are updated constantly with the leading momentum stocks in the market. Underperformance by these indices should give the bulls pause. Again, that noted. The market's shown very little sign of strain since the follow-through day that ushered in the confirmed uptrend a week ago. The Nasdaq has one distribution day, the S&P 500 none. Distribution's a sign of institutional selling, and too much distribution early in a confirmed uptrend can be an indication that the uptrend's in trouble. Market leadership appears to be getting a bit more focused, with financials, apparel, building, and internet stocks setting the pace. Advancing issues bettered decliners by 3-2 yesterday. The New York Stock Exchange advanced decline line continues to look a bit more bullish. For the 8th session in a row, large capitalization stocks outperformed small yesterday and are now outperforming on a 10-day moving average basis. Large caps outperforming is behavior less typical of a bull market. Our swing timing model is indicating a moderately overbought condition in the market, but a moderately overbought market can become a great deal more overbought. Our market timing model for both the Nasdaq and the S&P 500 are now on our most aggressive rating, a margin signal, indicating that aggressive traders can begin to utilize margin to leverage their portfolios, while more conservative traders can begin to redeploy capital on the long side, keeping their stops in place. The O'Neill timing model gave us a follow-through day a week ago, so we're now in a confirmed uptrend. All of our timing models are bullish, but the market remains volatile and prone to whipsaws. In addition, the Nasdaq has some significant resistance to contend with this week. Be careful. As always, keep your stops in place and be sure to follow your written rules set. Let's take a look at what the Nasdaq Composite's up to. On Friday, the Nasdaq Composite was up 19.68 points, or 0.41%. The Nasdaq closed at 48.30. Trading volume was well below the prior day and well below average. For you followers of William O'Neill, we are on a confirmed uptrend in the market with one distribution day since the confirmation call on September 25th. The Nasdaq Composite's bracketed by support down here in the 45.06 area and resistance up here in the 4900 range. Nasdaq has significant resistance right here at its 50-day moving average, as we noted earlier. If we break through that area, then we run into significant resistance right here in the 4900 area. That area had been support going all the way back to May of last year. And then if we break through that area, we have more resistance, psychological resistance up here in the 5000 area. So the Nasdaq has some hurdles to get over in the near future. Let's take a look at the S&P 500. The S&P on Friday was up 1.46 points, or 0.7%. We closed at 2014. Trading volume was a little below the prior day and was right about at average daily. The S&P also is in a confirmed uptrend. Right now we're bracketed by support down here in the 1993 area. I would call that fairly weak support down here because we just broke through that area 2 days ago. But notice how the 50-day moving average has undercut that area. And so we have support at the 50-day and in the 1993 range. We have resistance up here in the 2044 area. Our market timing model right now is on a margin timing signal. That's about all I have for today. If you want to talk about any of the stocks mentioned today or any of our market strategies, please feel free to give me a call. Drop me an email or make an appointment. Come by the office, see what we're up to. Contact information is on the home page. For daily access to our model portfolios, trade updates, and more up-to-date information on our trading strategies, please take a minute to go to our subscription page and subscribe to Push Button Stock Trading. You can also follow us on Twitter at PushButtonStock. Again, my name is Cliff Backus. That's your daily video market review. Have a safe and profitable day. Keep your stops in place, and I will see you again tomorrow. Please stay tuned for our important disclaimers. All the best. Disclaimers. Push Button Stock Trading Video Market Review is produced and edited by Clifford B. Backus. Mr. Backus is a Senior Vice President of Investments, Technical Analyst, Portfolio Manager, and Partner with the investment firm of Ohanneson Liqueurs, Incorporated. Video Market Review is produced solely for the benefit of our clients, friends, and colleagues. Anything written, stolen, and/or plagiarized in this publication is done without malice. Further, the analysis and opinions expressed in this publication are strictly those of the editor and not of Ohanneson Liqueurs, Incorporated, its affiliates, subsidiaries, or any of the officers or employees of Ohanneson Liqueurs, Inc. On that note, we submit the following. The analysis, calculations, and evaluations presented herein are based on data and assumptions Ohanneson Liqueurs, Incorporated believes to be accurate. Ohanneson Liqueurs, Incorporated makes no representation that such analysis or calculations are accurate or that such valuations represent levels at which actual trades may occur. This report has been prepared from original sources, except where otherwise noted, and data we believe to be reliable. Ohanneson Liqueurs, Inc., its affiliates and subsidiaries, and/or their officers and employees or their families may from time to time acquire, hold, or sell a position in the securities mentioned herein. Moreover, opinions may differ from one entity to the next. If we are used in connection with the purchase or sale of any security discussed in this report, we may act as principal for our own account or as agent for both the buyer and the seller. Push Button Stock Trading is dedicated to the education of friends, clients, and paid subscribers. Push Button Stock Trading is an information service only. The information provided herein is not to be construed as an offer to buy or sell stocks of any kind. Push Button Stock Trading is created to aid subscribers in making informed investment decisions based wholly or in part on technical analysis. It's possible that at this time or some subsequent date, the editors of Push Button Stock Trading may own, buy, or sell the investments presented. All investors should consult a qualified professional before making any investment. The information provided has been obtained from sources deemed to be reliable, but it is not guaranteed as to the accuracy or completeness. The editors of Push Button Stock Trading make every effort to provide timely information to subscribers, but cannot guarantee specific delivery times due to factors beyond our control.